Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In the last video, we did the categories of the plants, and today we are going to do the parts of a plant. So let's start. Plant has different parts. Each part has a different function. Plant has mainly two main parts, the root system and the shoot system. See, these are the parts of the plant. This is the flower, which helps in reproduction. Leaf, which performs photosynthesis. This is the fruit that protects the seeds. This is the stem that supports the plant. The root that absorbs water and minerals. See, this is root system, and the above part of the ground, this is the shoot system. So let's do root system in detail. The part of the plant which is under the ground is called the root. The root helps the plant to take minerals, nutrients and water from the soil. So there are two types of root, tap roots and the fibrous roots. Tap roots. The plants having a single root called primary root comes out from germination. It gives out several branches from it. These smaller branches are called lateral or secondary roots. This type of root is known as tap root. Some examples of tap roots are mango, neem, pine, radish, etc. See, the ground and one primary root is coming out of it, and many other lateral or several branches are coming out of it. So, these are the secondary roots. Fibrous roots. These types of roots are like a bunch of thin fiber-like roots arise from the base stem. Some examples of fibrous roots are rice, onion, grass, maize, wheat, etc. See, let me tell you a difference between tap roots and the fibrous roots. See, the tap root has a main primary root from which the other lateral branches comes, but in the fibrous root, no main primary root is there. From the base stem only these roots arises. Functions of roots. The main functions of roots are fixation, absorption and preventing soil erosion. Fixation. Roots are spread out into the soil and hold the plant firmly to the ground. This prevents the plant from being pulled out easily or blown away by the wind. Absorption. Roots absorb water and minerals from the soil and pass them to the stem and other parts of the plant. The plant uses water and minerals to make food and carry out life functions. Preventing soil erosion. Roots bind the soil particles together. In this way, roots prevent the soil from being blown away by the wind or washed away by water. Now, do you know that a weed is an unwanted plant that grows on their own? Whatever water and nutrients we give to the host plant means the main plant around which that weed grows that takes the water or the minerals. And the desert plant have long roots to penetrate deep into the soil in search of water, minerals or vitamins. So friends, that's all for today. In the next video, we will discuss about the shoot system. So, bye-bye. हमारे YouTube चैनल द लर्निंग सीरीज को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन दबाएं ताकि हमारे आने वाले सभी वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशंस आपको मिलती रहें।